बजट प्रेजेंटेड बाय स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया। और चलिए अब एक और खास मेहमान हमारे साथ जुड़ चुके हैं, डॉक्टर राहुल कक्कर। ही इज एडवोकेट एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर एट एक्कॉन्सिस लीगल ग्रुप। वेलकम टू द शो डॉक्टर कक्कर एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टेकिंग आउट टाइम। माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वुड बी, बजट तो आपने सुना ही होगा, तो अगर आपको बोला जाए कि एक खास बात जो आपको बजट में पसंद आई वो क्या होगी?
Good afternoon. Well, I think आज का जो बजट है, I think it was what we were expecting from last few years with the current government. Finally उन्होंने वो दिवाली गिफ्ट दे दिया है। So I think आज का जो सबसे चर्चित and the most awaited and the most enthusiastic topic has been the income tax slab rebate, right? So I think उसने जो भी बाकी के changes हैं उसको take over कर लिया है। तो everybody, the talk of the town of today's budget is 100% going to be that, and I'm sure once we will analyze the budget in depth, तो भी पता चलेगा कि actually में उसी के surrounding में बहुत सारी चीजें हैं। And I think this move by our current FM has been now we can say a word called master stroke, right? Quite a beneficial thing, right? So I think if I have to summarize, even though I'm not the direct tax expert, but I think आज की date में today's budget has been totally taken over by those slabs which have come, because that is going to be directly beneficial to everybody who's paying the income tax, and who are earning under those slabs. तो सबके लिए जिसको direct benefit होता है उसकी तो चर्चा होती है। So I think rest, of course, there are a lot of things which I think are should not be faded off, should also be talked about. Yeah. But आपके क्वेश्चन का मैं यही जवाब दूंगा कि इनकम टैक्स हैज बीन द maybe like a sixer which has gone out of the ground by the finance minister.
Very true. और आपने कहा कि बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, तो आप बताइएगा कि कौन सी चीजें हैं जो one should know about from the budget 2025.
All right. See, I think as an analyst of a budget and being a tax analyst, every year we only talk about, or we want to talk about the things which we are practicing in, या जो हमारे से directly है. Suppose you and me, if we are salaried, तो हमें income tax वाली चीज अच्छी लगेगी. If you and me are into some entrepreneurship of some particular thing, तो हमें वो अच्छी लगेगी. But I think we have to see the budget as a whole, because it is about the economy, right? So if I talk about the deep economics, what the budget covers, I think this time in a very summarized speech of our finance minister, of course we have to see the in-depth details of the budget which would be tabled and analyzed in coming days. But I think just startups के ऊपर focus किया गया, the startup fund which has been increased, right? That is also a very important part, because if you see, our economy is not in a perfect shape right now. It might be talked about because there are a lot of factors like war, external factors. I think I was also hearing your views and other people since last. The US president has taken over, right? So there would be a lot of issues of tariffs, visas, and all those things. And I think startup is something जो India का एक बहुत अच्छा breakthrough और break record रहा है. And I think if government also supports to have our ecosystem which can be more channelized, right? So the startups will surely going to be a growth indicator for our economy, and even it also will lead into job creation, right? जैसे आज की डेट में अभी we were watching that stock market just crashed because of the AI impact of some Chinese companies, and the US mobility and other companies crashed, right? Their stock market crashed. But I think it is just a phenomena. Why not if we have a breakthrough? अगर हम कुछ ऐसा startup revolution, AI को भी touch upon किया गया है finance minister के through, right? They are going to make an excellence centers of it. So I think if we can, and we Indians have a track record of delivering service, जो IT और IT service enabled services हैं, उसमें हमारा बहुत strong portfolio है. I think if we can have a same mechanism through AI in the startup culture, I think we can again have our own a leading factor. So this is one of the biggest aspect I think it can be touched upon.
राहुल, आपने इकोनॉमी की बात की और हमारी इकोनॉमी दिक्कत में है. Do you think that this budget is addressing growth?
Well, to be honest, it's not a direct growth generator, right? Because for economic growth, there are a lot of budget is only a planning. See, I think we all have to understand, and I'm sure everybody has the same views. Budget is just to give a direction. How great it would be implemented at every channel, at every step is something very important. Because see, देखिए budget planning तो हम हर साल करते हैं. We can talk about very very big numbers. एक जो current portfolio of a government होता है वो 5 years का होता है, वो 5 बार उसमें budget table करती है. उसको कितना complete कर पाती है, कितना नहीं, it's always a concern, right? But I same think that this budget did not talk about industry economy as a growth, but I think still it is on the right track, because I told you first, they have given a little thrill and kind of a positive experience for the income tax slave, so people will have something more spend. If they'll be able to save more, they'll be able to spend more, so ultimately it will come in the economy. फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ऑल्सो टच्ड अपॉन सम नंबर्स, कितने वो एक्यूरेट हैं वो वी कैन चैनलाइज, कि उसमें 1 लाख करोड़ का देयर वुड बी अ डायरेक्ट टैक्स इंपैक्ट एंड अराउंड 2600 करोड़ ऑफ इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स अमाउंट इंपैक्ट. बट आई थिंक इट इज ऑलवेज देयर आर नो फ्री लंच बॉक्सेस इन दिस वर्ल्ड. अगर इसको भी स्लैब रिडक्शन किया गया है तो आई एम वेरी श्योर द इकोनॉमी इन द बैक पॉइंट, उसके अंदर नेट इनकम, नेट स्पेंडिंग आनी ही आनी है, एंड दिस विल रादर बी अ बूस्टर टू द इकोनॉमी, राइट? बट कोई बहुत बड़ा मेजर ब्रेक थ्रू या कोई बहुत स्टेगनेंट स्टेप्स कहीं पे भी मेंशन नहीं है. आई थिंक दिस वाज अ वेरी स्ट्रेट क्लियर लाइन बजट, बट व्हाई इट वाज लिटिल एक्साइटिंग देन द अदर बजट्स इन लास्ट 2 or 3 years वाज बिकॉज़ दे हैड सम काइंड ऑफ अ डायरेक्शन.
और इस बजट में मतलब मेरे को लगता है कि कोई ऐसा सेक्टर नहीं है जो छूटा है. एग्रीकल्चर से लेके एमएसएमई से लेके लेबर इंटेंसिव सेक्टर्स लाइक लेदर, फुटवेयर, टॉयज, and then investment in people may every sector has been touched in this budget. Yes, you rightly said कि execution तो बड़े मायने रखता है, because अगर जब तक आप प्रोडक्टिव नहीं होंगे तब तक आप कितने भी अनाउंसमेंट क्यों ना कर ले और कितने भी इंसेंटिव्स क्यों ना दे दे, उसका असर नहीं देखने को मिलेगा. एक विकसित भारत की हम जो दैट वी टारगेट टू बी बाय 2047, क्या आपको लगता है कि सरकार ने जितने भी कदम लिए हैं, बी इट ऑन एवरी फ्रंट, एवरी सेक्टर, इज इट टेकिंग अस टुवर्ड्स बीइंग डेवलप्ड नेशन बाय 2047?
Okay, I think their first thing is 2047 is very far off, right?
True.
See, if you see,
अभी से काम करेंगे तभी तो कहीं पहुंचेंगे.
Yes. So it is a very far distant theory. और उस टाइम पे कौन सी गवर्नमेंट का क्या शेप होगा, how our mechanism and our livelihoods, like आज की डेट में बोलते हैं कि अगले 10 साल, पहले 20 साल को लोग प्रोजेक्शन करते थे, वो आज 20 साल जो है वो 7-8 साल रह गए.
5 ही साल रह गए सर, 5 ही साल रह गए. अब कोई भी 5 years is very long term now. Correct.
And I think जो आज की डेट में हम ट्रेंड सुन रहे हैं, AI and tech and robotics and all, I am sure 5-7 years is the maximum what you can plan. But I think what today's budget, because we have to deliberate on this, I think what they have touched upon is, if you see the the growth aspects of other competitive economies, like we want to compete directly with China and all, आप देखिए चाइना में हर एक इंडस्ट्री, whichever industry, चाहे वो छोटी इंडस्ट्री हो, like today our finance minister touched upon toys, तो आज उनको याद आ गया कि toy is also a product which can grow global, right? Specifically, like you see the small countries like Switzerland, Finland and all those things, their population is not even size of our single state,
right?
But they have global companies. Why? Because when they plan a product or a service, they never think to serve their own nation. They always see from the global point of view. तो वो एक बहुत strong planning है. तो I think if I have to understand the government's intention in today's budget, it is that they want to touch every industry, because बूंद बूंद घड़ा भरे. So ultimately, even if the small or a bigger contributor to the economy, if all the industries can grow slowly, gradually, even a smaller one, small percentage can have a growth aspect, for sure the economy, the 2047 project can be achieved, either maybe before the timelines or close to the timelines. So वो बहुत एक important aspect है. And I think government is flowing in the right direction, but I think I only have a hitch. And I am very transparent and blunt to say that कि again as I said, planning करना बहुत आसान है, जिसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं ज्ञान बांटना बहुत आसान है, लेकिन उस ज्ञान के सागर को implement करना, अपने अंदर उसका मंथन करना is the most difficult part. But I think if we are able to channelize that at every level, what the government plans and shows us as a direction in the form of budget, I am sure we can have this kind of a developed economy and trillion economy, whatever we intend to do, maybe in 10 years just, because there could be a multiple fold factors. लेकिन अगर हम उसमें किसी भी चीज में लूप आउट कर जाएंगे तो मे बी 20 years के हम 40 years में भी अचीव नहीं कर पाएंगे. Our competition will take us over.
वेरी ट्रू. सो अगर आपको 10 के स्केल पे रैंक करना हो बजट को, तो क्या रैंकिंग देंगे आप उन्हें?
I think this would be a very peculiar question, but I think आज के budget को तो मैं score कर दूंगा. Normally I don't wish to score, but if I have to summarize, I think today it was a 7.58
Brilliant.
pointer budget, which is quite on a higher scale,
Yeah.
because आपकी बात का आंसर है कि इन्होंने सब कुछ टच किया है
Very
और काफी लोगों को थोड़ा एक एक्साइटमेंट दिया. अदरवाइज यू नो आई हैव आल्सो बीन अ पैनलिस्ट ऑन योर चैनल फॉर कपल ऑफ इयर्स और हम लोग बड़ा यू नो वी ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू हैव अ थिंग कि हम एक्सपेक्ट बहुत कुछ कर रहे थे और हुआ कुछ नहीं. I think this time really, at least on some forefront, most of the people must have some smiling faces after hearing the budget speech.
Very true.
So this time
Very
I think
true.
I can surely rate it to 7.5 or an 8 pointer also.
Very true. राहुल बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आज प्रोग्राम में जुड़ने के लिए. Thank you so much for your time, राहुल.